Guys, got the Cadillac STS. Got the panel off here, guys. So remove the panel on this car. Take it really good if you got the same car, same looking type of car. All right, and there's the door panel, and that's the handle. So what you do is you remove a cover from right here. There's like a little cover that looks something like this, right there. You pop that off with the screwdriver. You have one screw in there, and then you have this little guy right here. All you do is you lift it up from down here. You're gonna lift it up, and you're gonna have two screws in there. All right, you see that? And that's it. After that, you have a lot of clips. There's a lot of clips all over. All right, and then that's it. It's gonna come out, and I remove this little guy, and then there's a harness, self plug-in connector right there, guys. So all you do is you plug that in. I mean, you don't even have to plug it in. It's gonna plug itself in. All right, guys. But what I'm doing here is I'm removing the window switch here. So the window switch from right here, it comes out underneath. It comes down, guys, and it's in here, guys. So all it is, you gotta pull these little tabs for them, and that switch will come out. All right, and then you push the new switch in. So the problem here was this switch wasn't working. I wasn't able to control the power windows. So all I did was remove it, and I got a new one right here. I bought this from the GM. They sell the Chrysler part. But here's the part number on it, guys, if you need to get this part number right here. So there's the window switch, guys, on this Cadillac STS. That's the window switch. All right, this is a new one. All right, if you have the similar looking switch right there, that's the part number you're gonna need, guys. You could check online. All right, that's the part number right there, guys. All right, so I want to put all these back together. All right, guys, so there it is. I swapped out the switch right there, the window switch, for the 2007 Cadillac STS. All right, the power switch for the mirrors wasn't working. If you play around with it really hard, they will start working, then they will stop. But that was the issue there. There's the part number again, guys, for you guys if you need to find it online. This part is very expensive if you get it from dealer, right? But I ordered the one, it was wrong online, but then I had to call the dealer. But there's a screw there to remove this panel. There's a screw there, and there's two screws. If you take your flathead screwdriver and you lift this guy up, you're gonna have two screws right there. So all you do is you take your flathead screwdriver and you lift up the guy right there, and you have two screws right down there, and everything else is just clips. All right, and I already showed you the inside of it, so make sure you don't damage anything. Make sure you put this little guy back. One hand difficult for me, but two hands for you guys should be really easy. All right, and this should clip right in, guys. All right, I'm not gonna be able to probably do it with hand, so I'm gonna do it off the camera and get that little guy in there, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. After that, you could try the mirrors, and they should work, guys. All right, so bye bye, and I will see you on the next one. And please subscribe to my channel. I have two channels. You can find my other channel in the description, in the front page. It's called RCUSA 201. A lot of action, drones, cars, stunts, racing, battles, everything's up there, guys. All right, so bye bye.